Well, this is quite an interview. This is the new Chief Executive of North Ayrshire Council. And 105.7 is in McHarg, and look north. It's me just getting my lunch, and I'd lost my glasses, so now I've got them. I can actually see what we're reading here. We try to encourage the listeners during this programme to visit the website of North Ayrshire Council. The website is www.north-ayrshire.gov.uk. Give you that again, www.north-ayrshire.gov.uk. Now, listeners have told us that they do find it useful to go and visit there. Now, some people have said they can't do it because they don't have internet access at home. And what we say to you is go to Irvine Library, and you can get access free of charge there. And then you can go have a wander round about the council's website and other websites that take your fancy. But when you go there, if you are running a wee organisation locally, a community group or organisation, you'll find that you can actually get some money from the council through its community development grant scheme. You can also find as an individual the catalogue of all that's there in Irvine and the other libraries. So if you're looking for a CD that you've been on for some time, or a DVD that you wanted to watch, or you're looking for a book that you need to read, then you're likely to find it on the website at www.north-ayrshire.gov.uk. Now, the reason we do this is because there is so much information available on North Ayrshire Council and the website that's really quite useful to you, that we want to encourage you to visit the site. And one of the recent stories in it actually is about Irvine as well as other places across North Ayrshire, and it's about the children's units making a positive impact. North Ayrshire Council's 2 modern children's units, which were designed to provide safe, family-size homes for youngsters in residential care, have been an overwhelming success. The 6-bed units have proved themselves over the last 2 years. The first, Achnamara in Nelson Road, Saltcoats, opened in July 2007 and was followed by the Meadows, James Crescent, Irvine in July 2008. Both are in central locations with easy access to public transport and local community activities. And in a report to the Council's Executive Committee, Bernadette Docherty, Corporate Director of Social Services, assessed the impact of the new units, and she said that feedback from staff had showed they provided a welcoming, safe and nurturing environment due to the smaller numbers of young residents. Staff had identified an increased sense of homeliness and belonging. An increase in staff meant there was one-to-one support, and this coupled with the new environment had a very positive impact on staff who said they felt more empowered. But what about the young people? Well, the young people themselves felt more settled, much more supported, and felt encouraged when they moved on to phone or visit if they needed help, company or advice. Responses from education and health staff also said that the units were all overwhelmingly positive. The units were welcoming, they were comfortable and safe, and much less institutionalised and more homely. However, Ms Docherty did say that the Council's residential units were facing increased demand compared with capacity, and this is due to a rise in the number of under-12s needing accommodation, caused mainly by an increase in substance misusing parents. Councillor John Bell, North Ayrshire Council Executive Portfolio Holder for Children's Services, who requested the report, said the Council's decision to build the units had been fully vindicated. The new smaller units had brought better assessment, better care, improved staff morale, and it had a very positive impact on the behaviour and outlook of young people in the Council's care. Clearly the greatest threat to even further improvements is the problem meeting need, and they're now looking at that to see if an increase in fostering care would be one way forward to overcome the problem. Now here at Irvine BFM, we're well aware of the problems that face our young people in our community, and we want to do what we can to help. We're glad to hear that the Council are responding in such a positive way and making the accommodation for the children have been looked after much more satisfying, much more healthy and much more homely.